That's right, we are making these garlic knot pigs in a blanket. This is how we did it. Stay tuned. So just putting a little flour here on my cutting board so that when I roll out these pre-made or this pre-made croissant dough, it doesn't just get to sticking there, and it just makes it easier to handle. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, unroll this croissant dough and just put it here so that it's easy to go ahead and cut it here into these slices. Now I got my dough all sliced up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take one and lay it out here, which I could have probably made that strip too, but whatever, we move. So I'm taking my little smokies. You guys can also use hot dogs here. Traditionally, that's what people do for pigs in a blanket, but we are doing our own little thing today. If you want to swap this out for hot dogs, feel free. I'm pretty sure that still would be great. So I'm going ahead, I rolled it up just like we saw there. We're gonna roll the bigger side into the smaller side, and then we're gonna go ahead and get these prepped to go on our baking sheet and into the oven. That is really all there is to the prep for our garlic knot pigs in a blanket here. I'm showing you what that finished product looks like. Do not stress it, guys. You just really want to get these all rolled up. When they're baked and puffed, they'll look more uniform and they're gonna taste so good, no one will even really care. Now I have some olive oil here on my baking sheet, and I'm just going to go ahead and rub the garlic butter that I'm going to put on top across the bottom so that these do not stick. After you do that, go ahead and just line them all up on your tray, giving them a little bit of space because when they do bake, they'll puff up. So you don't want them to go ahead and stick together all the way. Again, will not be the biggest deal in the world. Go ahead and brush your garlic butter over. And then we're just going to go ahead and put these in the oven on 375 until they are baked and golden brown. Your sausage will be done. And while these go ahead and bake in the oven, we are just going to go ahead and work on our sauce.